Okay, exercise 7.3. First one easily you can do it. They have given the pictures. So write them in the fractions first. After that, you use the symbols in between them and write it. Is ascending order or descending order? How to write it? Say that first picture. In first picture, what are the pictures names? 3 by 7. 3 by 8. Next one. 8 by 6. 6 by 2. Down denominator, what you will write? Size. Size means what? One circle is cutting into how many pictures, how many shapes? That is called as size. Next one. 4 by 8. Numerator is number of pieces. Denominator is size. 4 pieces of 8 size. Okay, next. 1 by 8. After writing that, arrange them into the order. Increasing order, ascending order. First what will come? In the tall, first what will come? 1 by 8 will come. Next.
3 by 8.
Next.
3 by 8.
Next.
6 by 8.
Like that. Can you do the 2 bits?
Yes.
Can you do them?
Yes.
You have to write them in the notebook. Pictures no need. Pictures are no need. Only write them in the notebook. First you write them. First picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture. That afterwards you write in the order. Same like that second bit also. There, what is the size in the second bit? 9 size.
8 by 9.
8 by 9.
4
4
by
by 9.
3 by
3 by
9.
9.
6 by 9.
So in that first what will come? Because all are, you can write in order because they all are the same size, no?
Yes.
Yesterday how we discussed that. When they are like fractions, you can write in order. Okay. You can write like that, no?
Yes.
Then what is the second bit? Show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. This bit also have done already. Number line. How do you show the number line? You don't know that. All the proper fractions are in between 0 and
1.
here improper are there anybody?
Yes.
Yes, one improper is there.
8 by 6.
What is that?
8 by 6.
8 by 6. Can you convert it into mixed fraction? Mixed fraction.
Yes.
Improper fraction you can convert into mixed, no?
Yes.
By using the division.
Yes.
Is that no? Okay, write it now. Write that question in the notebook. We will do here. What are the fractions are given there first?
2 by 6.
2 by 6,
4 by 6.
4 by 6,
8 by 6.
8 by 6.
12 by 6. 6 by 6.
So 5 fractions are given. He is saying to keep them on the number line. Mark them on the number line. Already this topic we have discussed already. All the proper fractions are in between 0 and
1.
improper fractions are more than 1. All the proper fractions are between 0 and 1. Improper fractions only are more than 1. So proper fractions. So first of all we are going to take here 0, 1, 2, 3. That is the number line. Now proper fractions are in between 0 and 1 only, no?
Yes.
Which are the proper fractions here? Can you say to me?
6 by 6.
This is proper.
4 by
This is proper.
5 by 6.
This is proper.
6 by 6.
So these are there. You know that 6 by 6 called 1, no?
Yes.
Is it or not?
Yes.
Why? Both are coming in 6 table.
Yes.
6 comes in 6 table, 6 also comes in 6 table.
Yes.
How it divide? 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. Means 1 by 1 you will get it now. 1 by 1 means 1 only now.
Yes.
So 6 by 6 means which is the 6 by 6? This is only 6 by 6. You understand?
Yes.
7 by 7 also 1 only.
Yes.
8 by 8 also 1 only. 9 by 9 also 1 only. 10 by 10 also.
One only.
11 by 11 1. 12 by 12
One
1.
only.
Okay. So here 6 by 6 means easily you can mark it. Okay. All the improper fractions are in between the 0 and 1 only. No?
Yes.
How do you show? Already I said to you. This is 2 by 6 means how do you show?
6 lines.
Very
5 lines.
5 lines means 6 parts will form.
Yes.
6 parts are needed. 6 parts are needed means how many lines? 5
5
lines.
lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can show that 2 by 6. Where is the 2 by 6?
1, 2, 2.
This is the 2 by 6.
Yes.
Where is 4 by 6?
4.
The fourth line is 4. Where is 5 by 6?
5
This
lines.
is 5 by 6. 6 by 6?
1.
Automatically this. And one improper fraction is there now.
Yes.
That improper fraction, what should we do? We have to convert it into
Mixed
then
fraction.
how do you convert? You know the method. We will do that division to convert into mixed fraction.
6 ones are 6.
6 ones are 6. What is that?
2.
Then what you will write? 2 here you will write now.
Yes.
By 6 you will write now. 1, 2 by 6. Means where it is? In between
1 and 2.
1 and 2. What is the meaning of 1, 2 by 6? 1 and something. 1 and
Something.
means 1 after it is there. Means between 1 and 2 only no.
Yes.
It is in between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How you have to mark again? There also you have to mark because 6 parts are there no. You have to
Yes.
create the 6 parts over there.
Yes.
So you have to create 6 parts here also.
1, 2, 3, 4.
After that 2 by 6 where will come? 1, 2 by 6. 1 after 2 by 6. Where is the 2 by 6?
2 lines. 1 line.
Okay. So you write it and mark the fractions on the number line. Third one is the homework. Just listen it. Then map is given. The number lines are given here.
Yes.
You know everyone is 0 by 1 only here. So many lines are there you see. First one is 0, 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 1. Means 0 to 1. Second one is 0 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1 only no. Just now I discussed already. 2 by 2 means what? 1. 2 by 2 is called 1. This is also 0 to 1. Third one
0 by 3.
0 by 3, 3 by 3. 0 by 3 means 0 only. 3 by 3 means
1.
0 to 1. Next one
0 by 4.
0 by 4, 4 by 4. Means what is the meaning of that? 0 to 1. 4 by 4 means 1. 0 by 4 means 0. Next one 0 by 5 by 5. 5 to 5 by 5. 0 by 5 means 0. 5 by 5. 5 by 5? 1. That is also 0 to 1. Next one 0 by 6. 6 by 6. That is also 0 to 1. But here you see that there are marked some. First one no partition. Second one partition is there. Where 0 by 1, 2 by 2. Means it is 1, it is 0. Between one line given. Means what is this you know? One line. Very good. 1 by 2. So one more line is what? 0 by 2. Sorry, 0 by 3.
3 by 3.
3 by 3. Here two lines are there.
One
What
by
it is? 1 by 3.
2 by 3.
One more. 0 by 4. 4 by 4. Means what is this?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
2 by 4.
2 by 4.
3 by 4.
So like that you have to mark everyone there. You have to here. First point given what fraction it is you have to write there. Second means that 2 lines are there. What fractions they are. Next to third 3 lines are there. What fractions they are. Can you write like this or not? Simple. 0 by 4 means continue. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 lines. One more 0 by 5. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. One more.
6
Are you talking anything or not? Then why did you come here? So to sit simply, say with mouth. Open your mouth and say something. Next, what has given here? Some questions are there here. The left hand side, right hand side. Here you have to write which is bigger, which is smaller, which is greater than symbol or less than symbol. So what is the first question you see here? It is 1 by 6 to 1 by 3. In this line, here picture of them. You just see where is 1 by 6, where is 1 by 3. You mark. You keep the hand. Where is 1 by 6? Where is 1 by 3? 1 by 6, 1 by 3. Keep the hand. You'll mark by anyhow there. Where is 1 by 6? Where is 1 by 6?
0 by 6 after.
0 by 6 after will come. Keep one finger there. 1 by 3. Exactly there. Keep back. That is 1 by 6 means line is there. No. This line, man. 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, like that you will write. No. Exactly where is that? Don't you know? This is 1 by 6. One more number, 1 by 3. Where is 1 by 3? That is 1 by 3. 3. 1 by 3. That is all by 6 will come. So all will not come in same line. 1 by 3 is different in 3. 1 by 6 is different. In the 2, which is left hand side, that is smaller. Which is left hand side?
1 by 6.
1 by 3 or 1 by 6?
1 by 6.
1 by 6 is left hand side, 1 by 3 right hand side. Which is smaller, which is bigger?
1 by 6.
You know on the number line, which is left hand side, that is smaller, which is right hand side, that is bigger. So means here, which you are finding here, 1 by 6 is smaller, no? That's why how do you show symbol? Yes or no? 1 by 6 is smaller than 1 by 3. Okay. So see, there is one more there is 6 by 6 to 3 by 3 is there. Mark it, where is the 6 by 6, 3 by 3?
6 by 6.
6 by 6, 3 by 3. 6 by 6 looking clearly. Here you are keeping hand. This is 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is, this is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. 6 by 6 is here. 3 by 3. How they are? One is less and smaller. Same place. Same place means what? Same place means equal. So can you mark like that?
Yes.
First of all, what is your duty here? You have to write there.
Yes.
In this picture, what fractions these are? You have to write. Yes or no? Here you write no 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 like that. 1 by 5, 2 by 5. First you write it. After writing, what fractions these are saying? Keep the fingers there. Which is left hand side, that is small. Which is right hand side, that is bigger. By using that, can you keep the symbols?
Yes.
Can you keep the symbols?
Yes.
Okay. Next to second bit. See the second bit. Fourth bit. That is over. Third bit is over. Fourth bit you see there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate symbols. What is the meaning of symbols here? Greater than, less than means you have to check that which is bigger and which is
Smaller.
How do you say which is bigger and which is smaller? Can you say directly always?
No.
Sometimes you can say direct, sometimes you can't say.
Yes.
You see in that bit, fifth one is there easy. What is the fifth one?
3 by 5. 6 by 5.
Now you can say directly.
Yes.
Why?
Because the
Denominator, the size is same.
Yes.
Size is?
Same.
That's why you can say which is bigger, which is smaller.
Yes.
Shivudu, which is bigger here? What number? Can't you read it? 3 by 5 is bigger. You come here. Come here. Come here to me. Simply you can say that because yesterday I already discussed here.
Yes.
Where the denominators are equal, sizes are equal, they are called like fractions. If like fractions are there, you can say directly I said.
Yes.
Is it or not?
Yes.
We are not in that level. Size, picture, that is first basic level. But afterwards we have done lot of problems.
Yes.
There you have seen that when the like fractions are there, you can say which is bigger and which is smaller. Like fractions means immediately should come in brain. What is the meaning of like fractions? Same size. Same size is called like fractions. Same size is called
Like fraction.
here. These are like fractions. So you can say which is bigger and which is smaller easily by seeing the pieces. Here 3 pieces are there. Here 6 pieces are there. So which is bigger? 6 pieces are bigger. So immediately you can write it. So whereas the first problem is there, you see. What is the first problem?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 5. Here can you say which is bigger, which is small? If you see the pieces, here 1 piece, here also 1 piece. You write equal? No. Why? What is the problem? Size is not same. When size is same, you can see like this. When size is not same, you can't say like that. First we have to convert that into same size. Okay, I said to you for the all purposes. What purposes? Saying bigger and smaller, for addition, for subtraction. This is most important. Which is most important? Size must be same. When I am saying this question, when you are adding, when you are subtracting, when you are saying bigger, small, first what should we see? Not directly to go for answer. What should we see? Are the sizes are same or not? Size means which one shows the size? Denominator. That only mathematically we are calling are they like fractions or not? These are like fractions? No. Like fractions means denominator same means like fractions. Here like fractions they are? No. Then what should we do? We have to convert them into like. What is the method I have given to you? What is the method I have given? Take this denominator side. Which are that? We are going to equal this to no. We want to equal this to no. We will write here and we will take the LCM. LCM method I said to you clearly. LCM is we will check that numbers coming in any table or not. If come, we will do the division. Are they coming in any table?
No.
2 and 5 comes in any table?
No.
2 numbers also should come in one table only.
Yes.
2 and 5. 2 come in 2 tables. 5 come in 5 tables. But both are coming in any same table?
No.
No. Any table will not get. 2 table 2 only will get. 5 will not get. No.
Yes.
3 table both are also not getting. 4 table both are also not getting. In 5 table 5 only will come. But 2 will come? No. So that's why not coming no here. Not coming means what did I say? Just to multiply these both numbers, you will get the 10. This is means what is the meaning of that? This one should convert into that size. Here 2 size no it is. 2 size should be changed into 5 size should be changed into
10 size.
So this is also so many nearly 100 times and maybe I said on the board. So how do you write this? You will take 1 by 2. This size you have to change into 10 size. 2 should become 10. How the 2 should become 10? In multiplication you have to check. How the 2 should become 10?
2
2 5 10. So that you will write here 2 5 are. Same thing up also. What you have written here? Same item. This into 5 I have written here also into 5. So one more fraction you take it. 5 should become 10 size. Means 5 to the above also 1 to the. So now the symbols for symbol blank you keep like that only. Now you write it. The multiplication only is there here.
Yes.
1 5 are 2 5 are 10. 1 2 are 2. 5 2 are 10. Now you can check it. Now you can say. Why you can say? Because size same no. Size same means you can say which is bigger. Size same is what should we check? Only numerator have to check. Here 5 pieces, here 2 pieces. Which is bigger? 5 pieces are more. That's why what you will keep here? Greater than symbol. 5 pieces are more no? Means what is this problem? In this problem what should we check? If the denominators are same, give the answer directly. You see this is the fifth problem, direct answer I have given. For first problem directly I have given. Why? What is the problem? Here denominators are same, means like fractions. So directly you said. But here these are like fractions. Unlike fractions. So you converted into like. Now 10 times same no? That afterwards you said which is bigger and which is
smaller.
okay. Write these 2 and remaining 2 as homework in notebook only. So he is asking to, in the fifth bit, 2 fractions are given. Are they equal or not? These are 2 fractions are given. Are they equal or not? Equal or not? So suppose you see the third question here. What is the third question?
4 by 16 by 20.
16 by 20. Are they equal or not? He is asking.
No.
Directly you can't say.
Yes.
I said to you, standard form you can convert. You remember, by dividing or by multiplying you can change the fraction. No.
Yes.
By multiplying with the same number or by dividing with the same number, you can change the fraction. This is 4 by 5 is there, no?
Yes.
You can change it. How do you change? By multiplying the same number or by dividing the
Same number.
multiply. Suppose if you multiply 2 and 2 here, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 8 by 10 means you can change this fraction as 8 by 10 also.
Yes.
Equivalent fractions, did you remember? Did you write? Remember?
Yes.
4 by 5 equivalent fraction.
Yes.
By multiplying you can get the new fraction. Means both are same only. Both are same.
Same
You can
only.
change this. You can change this also. You see these both are coming in same table.
Yes.
Which table? 4 table no.
Yes.
In 4 table 16 also will come, 20 also will come. You can change this fraction no.
Yes.
By dividing you can change no.
Yes.
Like that you check it. Can you change it or not? After changing, finally you say both are same or not. First, if you can't change, you can directly see. You can change means change. This one as it is, I can't change it. Because I can change by multiplication, but you do by division. Can you divide it with the same numbers? Can you divide it with the same number? Can you divide 4 and 5?
Yes.
What number?
4.
4 table. 4 and 5. One table is not possible. One table is not good. Except one you check. Both will come in 4 table. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are coming in same table. Not coming. But here you can do it now. These are coming in 4 table now. Check it now. Divide it. This is coming in 4 table. So divide it. This is also coming in. Compulsory same number should come here. Maybe you will think different tables not. Same tables. You can divide with same table or you can multiply with. Remember that. In fraction, if any fraction is there, you can change that fraction into other. How? By multiplying or by dividing. By multiplying or by
Dividing.
So in this particular problem, which are equal or not to check, you use dividing only. By dividing you change it. Then finally you check it. Divide it. How will come divide?
4 by 16.
How the 16 will come in 4 table? 4 4s are. So answer what you write? 4 4s are. How many times are that you write here? This is 4 5s are 20. So what you write here? 5. So you see this is changed as 4 by 5 no?
Yes.
First one is
4 by 5.
First one is 4 by 5. This is also changed as
4 by 5.
are they equal or not?
Yes. Equal.
Are they looking equal or not?
Yes.
Yes, equal. Next, fourth one you see 1 by 15,
4 by 24.
4 by 30. Can you change it?
Yes. No.
By dividing I am asking. By
Yes.
multiplying you can change anyone. By dividing can you change it?
No. No.
Is the choice?
No.
Because 1 and 15 comes in one table only.
Yes.
No other table. Here you see no? Can you change this?
Yes.
4 and 30 comes in another table. Which table?
4.
4 table. 4 table 30 will come.
2 table.
2 table. In 2 table 4 will come.
Yes.
In 2 table 30 will come.
Yes.
Both are also coming in same table.
Yes.
Then take it and divide. When fraction I said already just before yesterday also, if they are coming in same table, you divide it I said.
Yes.
If they are coming in same table, you divide it.
Right.
So here these are coming in same table for me.
Yes.
Divide it two tables.
2s are 4.
2 2s are 4.
250.
How that 30 will come in two tables? 2 15s are 30.
30.
Is there any other choice in it?
No. No.
2 and 15 comes in any other table?
No.
This is what 1 by 15. Are they equal?
No.
Yes. Sir?
No. No.
Size equal, girl. Fractions equal. 1 by 15, 2 by 15 are they equal?
No.
No, they are not.
Equal.
You understand?
Yes.
So what do you do this problem? If you can change it I am saying. If you can change it,
Change.
anyone, maybe first one also, second one also, we can, if you can change by division, change it. After changing, you change that. After changing, that I already said to you one word, standard form,
Yes.
which not divisible, which are not dividing. This one not, we can't divide this any table. That is called standard form. This is not in standard form. You divide it, after that it become into standard.
Yes.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Clear? You understand?
Yes.
If you can divide with same table, that is not standard form. Here I can't divide, that is standard form.
Yes.
This is already in standard form, that's why I didn't touch it. But this is not in,
Standard form.
because it is divided by another table. Then divide it. After dividing, you have written into standard form.
Yes.
Then you check the both fractions. Are they looking same or not? Second one you have taken. This is already in standard form.
Yes.
You have written directly. But this is not standard form because they are coming in same table.
Yes.
What table?
Two table.
That's why you divided it.
Yes.
Then you got 2 by 15. This is standard form. Up to standard form you convert. Then afterwards you check, are they looking same or not? Are they looking same here? No. That's why you said not. Okay, can you do the another 2 bits here?
Yes.
Write the fractions into the standard form, then check are they equal or not. Standard form means how do you check? How do you change? By dividing. By?
Dividing.
Okay, write it. These 2 examples you write and then remaining homework. Okay, see the 7th one. 6th one I will say 7th and 8th are homework. See there. 7th one. Here 2 fractions. Pictures are here. Pictures means fractions only no.
Yes.
By what you are doing, by adding will you get this or by subtracting will you get this, you have to check and find. Can you see first one? See first 2 answer is equal to answer given. By adding will you get that or by subtracting will you get that?
Adding.
Second one,
Subtracting.
subtracting. Here how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces are there. Here 2 pieces are there. Answer 3 pieces are there. Means how do you get it? By adding or by subtracting?
Subtracting.
By subtracting.
Yes.
In this 2 pieces are there, here 3 pieces are there. Answer 5 pieces are there.
Addition.
By addition. Okay? But you do one thing here for me in notebook. You write with fraction. What do you call this fraction in the picture?
1 by 5.
1 by 5 and one more
3 by 5.
3 by 5. So one piece of 5 size, no, 1 by size, 3 by size. 1 by 5, 3 by size, 5 is equal to answer
4 by 5.
in between what symbol will go? Plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Like that, by using the fractions you write in the notebook. Pictures are no need in the notebook. You write by using the fractions.
Fractions.
Next, 8th bit you see here. What are that in the 8th bit? What are you going to do? Additions no. All are additions only no.
Yes.
Addition to some are subtractions are there. Eighth bit you see that there are additions and subtractions are there here.
Yes.
But you can do directly here. Why? Because see every problem is live fractions only are there.
Yes.
Like means what? Denominators are same. Denominator means down numbers are same. These down numbers all are same here. 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. All are like fractions only are there. That's why directly you can add, directly you can subtract. You know how to add it? Pieces you will add, size same you write. Subtraction, pieces you will subtract, size same you write. Okay, so you can write it easily. So 7th bit and 8th bit homework. 7th bit and 8th bit homework. Now 6th one I will explain to you. Listen. Okay, what is the 6th question? Worksheet read 25 pages of a story book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same story book. Who read less? Give reason. You understand? Worksheet read something, Lalita read something. Who read less? He is asking to you. Okay. So we will write it. How much Worksheet read? Okay. How much Lalita? Worksheet and Lalita. How much Lalita read? 2.5. That is in fraction form. Worksheet read not in fraction form, but you can write it. How do you write Worksheet fraction form? Worksheet
25 by 100.
25 pages out of 100 pages, no.
Yes.
How do you write in the fraction form?
25 by 100.
25 by 100. Can you write like that or not?
Yes.
Lalita is in fraction form, but Worksheet is not in fraction form. First you try to write in fraction form. Worksheet read in how many pages? 25 pages. Out of how many pages? 100 pages. That's why how do you write it? This one in the fraction form?
25
by 100. Now both are in fractions only, no? So what should we do? We have to say which is more and which is small, which is less and which is big. How do you say? Can you say directly?
No.
Why? They are not in like fractions. We have to convert into like fractions now.
Yes.
How do you convert into like fractions?
By
By LCM method. Can you do it?
yes.
Take the LCM. Which numbers?
100 and 500.
What table they are coming? 5 table they are coming now.
Yes.
How?
500.
5 20s are 100. Again, are they coming in same table?
No.
No. Then what you will do? You will multiply these all now.
Yes.
How? 5 into 1 into 20. 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are.
100.
So you have to convert into 100 sets. Already this is 100 sets only. You need to convert.
No.
This one only have to convert this.
Yes.
And then check it which is bigger. Now directly you can't say which is bigger because denominators are not same. What you do? You convert them into same size. Then you say which is bigger and which is
Smaller.
okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Can you do this?
Yes.
Okay. This is also homework now after here. So complete these 2 pages.